Hi guys, welcome back in our journey of building a AI bot, a conversational AI bot for a real estate industry. As you can see, me and my colleague Jignesh is here. So today we are going to be a bit technical so you guys can understand how complicated is the life of a software engineer to build any system which you guys are just using like a very easy user interface, but how it goes in the back. So here you can see this whole software is known as Postman, where we have called an API or something like that. And here you can see like we have a data of 96,092 properties. Definitely we are not getting that all together in the one go. So the current issue which we are facing is this whole data we have to transfer into Pinecone. As I told you, what is Pinecone? Pinecone is something as a vector DB which we are using. What is vector DB? Vector DB is a database where the database is not structured, but we just give them a bulk of data. And when we apply large language model, that is LLM, which is used in ChatGPT and these all technologies, those are actually applied on it, and they put their power to search in it. So you cannot apply LLM on SQL database, but you can apply that on vector DB. So we have to put this whole this whole 96,092 amount of property data into vector DB. We are trying to do in a one go. So this was a challenge which we are facing today. So how we did it, let me give you a bit journey on that. So first the step is getting this data from the API call. We did it. Then we have to build a script. Why a script? Because API do not give you all 96,000 data when you try to fetch it all together. You can see here like you get a counter, but you only get a value till page number 20, and every page has 24 values. So there is a certain limit which is applied on that, but we have to make it continue till like 10,000, 20,000 products. So what we did, we built a script. What this script is doing, it is fetching 500 product at a time and storing that in a temporary database. So which is that temporary database? This is the MySQL database where we are storing it. Why we are storing it? Because we want to collect all the data in a one go and then put on Pinecone. So that was our plan. So we are running this script, like we are getting all the 500 data, putting it up, 500 data, putting it up, building it up. So it took a time, but automatically it did in the background. We don't need to do anything. And we got almost 9,501 active property. We have actually selected active property because which are not active, we have not considered that. So those active property are here. So 9,500 active properties are there. Now we were in the plan to just throw this into Pinecone and take a relief, but that didn't happen. When we tried to run it, we got multiple errors. This is a screen which is very common to many software engineers, where they log and see different type of errors. This everything undefined and things are happening. So these all errors are something as a part of our journey. So what we did, we again created a basic script, that is like a different script which let me show you that. We again created a list data script which help to transfer one by one, like a batch of 700 or 600 product into Pinecone again and again. And slowly this has been done. So practically everything was done automated with the help of a script. But try to understand the data which we are dealing, the computation power which we are dealing is also one of the core factor when you work on the AI. And that is a beauty of it also. So like if you have any questions of what this technicality, like why we need Pinecone, why we use SQL, why not we are not using no code as like MongoDB and that all thing, anything is there, we are ready to discuss the same. Our goal is to give you the best AI bot or a conversational AI bot, especially in real estate segment, so that you guys can manage all your need, requirement and setup on it. We are working very hard to get it done. If you have anything, we are there to reply. Do DM us, do connect with us, and we are really happy to work with you or give you all the detail of the same. By the time, stay tuned, stay connected. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you.